Hi, it's Carrie with Carrie's Kitchen and Pampered Chef, and I am making pasta with meat sauce, and then I like to bake it a little bit and let the cheese melt on top. So let's get started. So this is ground turkey, and I seasoned it with some salt and pepper and Italian seasoning, and I'm just going to break it up. And in the meantime, my pasta water is heating up. Okay, my turkey is browned. I added a little bit more seasoning to it just by taste. I like to taste as it cooks, and then I know what more seasoning is to add. I did add a little bit more. I added some garlic powder. So you could also put onions in this. I just didn't have any. So I'm going to add the tomato sauce. It's just your regular spaghetti marinara sauce that I got. I like the chunky version, just because I like lots of vegetables. Doesn't really look that chunky. You can also add some fresh basil, garlic, oregano. You know, you have Italian. I have Italian seasoning in there, but if there's one particular seasoning you like more, you can add extra. Like I added some extra garlic. Added extra garlic and extra basil. So I could also chop up some fresh tomatoes in this if I wanted to too. Yeah, I added my pasta to the water. It was boiling at the time. I chose rotini because I like how the sauce and the meat and stuff sticks to it. Plus, it's what I had. Okay, my pasta's done. It's not that soft, and that's okay. I kind of want it al dente because it's going to go in the oven for a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to stir my pasta into the meat sauce. Okay, now I'm spreading about probably half a cup of shredded cheese. This is mozzarella, shredded mozzarella on the top. You can do as much or as little as you want. I'm just going to finish it off. And I'm just going to throw it in the oven until the cheese is bubbly. Probably, I don't know, it's set at like 375. So maybe 15-20 minutes, maybe not even that long. We'll see. And now it's ready. So I am going to serve it up and take a taste. Okay, so it's all ready. I topped it with some green onions. You can also top it with fresh tomatoes or some fresh basil or any kind of seasoning that you want. If you want to put a little extra cheese on top, you can do that too. I'm choosing not to. It's really hot. That's good. Now the pasta's cooked perfectly. Remember, when you're cooking the pasta, you don't want to get it till it's you don't want to cook it when it's to its complete doneness. I don't know how to say that. You want it al dente, and al dente means to the teeth, so it has a little bit of a bite to it, okay? Not crunchy, okay, but you also don't want it soggy. It's kind of somewhere towards done, but not quite done, because when you put it in with the meat sauce, it's going to cook a little bit more. So now it's cooked perfectly, and I'm ready to go. This is one of those really versatile recipes that you can do. You can use ground chicken, ground pork, ground beef, whatever you want, whatever you have, whatever you like, any kind of marinara sauce. You saw I just threw the whole jar in there. I used the rotini pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you want. Top it with whatever cheese you want. Put it in the oven. It took about 10 minutes for the cheese to melt, and you don't want it much longer than that because then your pasta can get kind of crunchy. All right, so there you go. Oh, one more tip. You can throw in extra vegetables and hide them in here. You can chop up zucchini, squash, mushrooms, whatever you want into your sauce, and it's going to hide those vegetables for those people who don't like vegetables but who need to eat them. Okay, all right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great night. This is Carrie with Carrie's Kitchen and Pampered Chef. Bye.